boys and girls, Crafty Carol here with a brand new craft for you right here at Cool School. Today we're making miniature fruit notebooks. Ooh, I love it. Time to get our crafting hands ready. Oh, not those crafting hands. Ooh, beautiful dancing. Thumbs up. Yeah. Now go get the supplies. So, what do you need to make this craft? We've got 2 little notebooks and some paper towels, some crafting paint. Wow, crafting hands. Don't lose the paint. And of course, a paintbrush and a paint sponge, green paper, scissors, a black permanent marker, some glue. We're ready. We're gonna take a little piece of paper towel, stick that behind the cover of our notebook, and we'll take our white crafting paint and let's just cover our notebook, front and back. Once that paint is dry, we're gonna do the exact same thing. Grab your yellow paint and a clean sponge. Yellow there. Crafty Carol called. She wants to make crafts. All right, so we painted both sides yellow. Very nice. You could also make this into an emoji notebook. Time to grab your gold paint, and we're just gonna paint some gold stripes going diagonally across our notebook here, and then do stripes going diagonally in the other direction, and let that dry, of course. And then take your green paper. And of course, every pineapple needs its little green top there, so we're just gonna glue that to the back of the front cover, and oh my gosh, thumbs up, I love it! Ooh, let's write something in our notebook. I love pineapples. No. I love pizza. No. I love cool school. That's perfect. All right, time to make another fruity little notebook. And we're just gonna do the exact same first steps as last time. Paint it white and just paint the full off the whole thing. Paint it white and let it dry. You're gonna take your red paint, and we're not gonna do the whole notebook this time. Just the top, a little more than half. And then we're gonna take our green paint and we're gonna paint the bottom green. And we're gonna leave a little stripe there. And so then we've got 2 permanent markers here. Got a green marker and a black marker. The green, we're just gonna add some detail, some stripes here at the bottom. Looking cool, looking cool. It's starting to look a little fruity, little rooty tooty, fresh and fruity. Take your black marker and add some seeds. Like a watermelon! Love. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Whoa, hey there, boys and girls. Crafty Carol here with a brand new craft for you right here at Cool School. So what are we making today? Well, I'll tell you, we're making a DIY washi tape notebook. Time to get our crafting hands ready. No, not those crafting hands. So what do you need to make this craft? Well, of course, first we need a notebook, scissors, be careful, cardstock, and we've got some alphabet stickers here. And of course, you can't make a washi tape notebook without washi tape. All right, so you're just gonna start with tape going diagonally across the cover of the notebook. And don't cut your tape yet, you're gonna leave it on the roll. And another stripe, and another. Then let's snip off any extra pieces, wherever you can't fold it. And then when you're ready, just fold the tape over the edges of the notebook. Just tuck those right inside. So we're gonna flip the notebook over to do the other side. And I love how the rolls of tape along the binding of the book look like a unicorn's mane. It's a rainbow dash. Bar is set pretty high, but I'm suspecting that quite a few of you share my enthusiasm for unicorns. But alas, this is not a unicorn craft, so let's move on. And we are washi taping the back of our notebook. So precise, so neat, so washi tapey. Now, let's just talk about how much I love making back to school supplies. I get excited every year when it's almost back to school time and we get to make awesome back to school crafts. We can make notebooks and pencil toppers and pencil cases and backpack charms. It's just, the possibilities are endless and I love it. Add another piece of tape and another and another. and another, and another, and another. Ah, it's too much. Then let's snip off any extra pieces, wherever you can't fold it. And then when you're ready, just fold the tape over the edges of the notebook. And I love it! Yay! Happy craft dance, happy craft dance. So we've got our alphabet stickers here, so we can put anything we want. What should we put on the cover of this notebook? Crafty Carol's secret diary. Keep out, any intruders beware of the dog. Okay, I didn't think that one through. I can't put a dog in my notebook. Let's see. Ooh, I know. We could put alphabet letters that spell out Crafty Carol's dream journal. And every morning when I wake up, I can write out what happened in my dreams that I don't want to forget. Like that one time, there was this giant flamingo and it turned into a dinosaur, and then it laid a bunch of eggs that turned into donuts, and everybody was dancing and singing. And that was one of the best dreams I ever had. Wait, I got it! So you know how you guys are always commenting and telling me what craft I should do next? Well, I'm gonna make a notebook dedicated to your ideas. C-R-A-F-T, it spells craft, I-D-E-A-S, craft ideas! I love it! So there you have it, boys and girls, your very own personalized craft idea notebook. I love how easy this was, and I love it even more that now I have a place to keep all of your awesome ideas. Well, hey there, boys and girls. Crafty Carol here with a brand new craft for you right here at Cool School. Today we're making a delicious ice cream sandwich notebook. What do you need to make this craft? A plain notebook, Model Magic clay, brown paint, and a paintbrush. Oh, you also need your crafting hands. We're ready to go. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cover the front of the notebook in Model Magic clay. And just kind of smooth it out. Just sort of smush it. Spread that clay flat about 1/4 of an inch thick. Get your hands in there and just work it out, just a little elbow maybe. Roll it out with a roller pin like you're making biscuits or homemade pasta. There you go. It's all smushed out. Smushed is a new word I just made up. It's sort of like smurge, not to be confused with smurf. So you're going to use the top end of a paintbrush to poke holes into the clay to make it look just like an ice cream sandwich. Just poke, 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 poke. Ooh, you should listen to some polka music while we polka these holes. So once you have all the holes poked into the clay, flip it to the other side and we're gonna repeat. Just smush the clay all over the back of the notebook. Get it nice and smooth and flat. We're gonna poke the holes. Get all the stress of your day out. Just poke those holes. Get it! Okay, well that was a workout. We gotta let this baby dry overnight. And while you let it dry, you can have an ice cream sandwich party where you just eat ice cream sandwiches all night. If you have an ice cream sandwich party, please send me an invitation. You know the address. Fast forward to the next day and our clay is all dry. So now we're gonna paint that brown. Just do a little artistry here, just a lovely shade of brown. And be careful, you don't want to get brown all over the pages or, the tablecloth or like, the family dog. Be careful with the paint. That actually looks like melted chocolate, but it's not. Don't eat it, don't do it. And then you can use a smaller paintbrush to get detailed and paint inside the holes of your ice cream sandwich cover. Once we're done painting one side, we're gonna let that dry. So once the paint is dry, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna paint on the other side. Ta-da! You have your very own ice cream sandwich notebook! I love it. It looks good enough to eat, but we're not going to. Let's write something important here, something really profound. I love ice cream! Hit like if you do too. Well, hey there, boys and girls. Crafty Carol here with a brand new craft for you right here at Cool School. Today we're making, wow, beautiful! Time to get our correcting hands ready. have everything assembled, let's get started. Right over there. There we go. Don't stop now. Keep going. Don't stop now, keep going. Keep it up. There we go. Next step. All right, keep it up, keep going. Oh, one more thing. You gotta keep going. Good job. Almost there. Don't stop now, we're almost done. It's beautiful. There we go. Right over there. All right, let's move on to our next step. Don't stop now, we're almost done. All right, that looks awesome. And now it's time for the last step. And ta-da! Look at that, it looks so good. I